How to add music to Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, tap the capture button and click a picture. Then, you have to go to this music icon right over here and tap on it. You will see all the music suggestions and trending songs here. You can also search your favorite songs from the search bar. Or you can try out featured playlists from Snapchat. Here, I have selected the Love playlist. Then, go ahead and choose a song from their suggestions. This music is now added to the picture. You can also enable the music lyrics by tapping the buttons on the screen. And you also can set the music length here. So, by following these steps, you can easily add music to Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.